Subscribe to Deskjet and press the bell icon and select all to get all the notifications. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Deskjet. So guys, today I'm going to unbox the HP Deskjet Ink Advantage 3636 which I have brought from the Amazon at the price 6199. Also guys, you can watch the unboxing video of HP Deskjet 2622 by clicking on the I button or by clicking on the link in the description. So now let's start. So guys, now first of all let's open this box. So guys, as you can see, this is the printer and these are some user manuals. So guys, now let's open this. So guys, first of all in this you'll get the power cable, and this is the USB cable to connect to our computer. As these are 3 ink cartridge. So guys, now first of all insert the cartridges. So guys, you can see this one is the black cartridge and this one is the tricolor cartridge. So guys, now let's insert the cartridges. So guys, first of all this is the tricolor cartridge which we have to insert in the left side. And then guys, this is the black color cartridge which we have to insert in the right side. As you can see, the cartridges has been inserted. So guys, first of all let's talk about some main specifications of this printer. With a smart and compact design, you can place the wireless printer on the desk table and quickly print your document, while it features an optional quiet mode that keeps the printing noise to the minimum, resulting in a silent operation. To help simplify your tasks, the display panel features simple icons for controlling print, scan and copy function, giving you everything you need on your fingertips. And it can function all in one print like print, scan and copy. This printer has voice activated printing feature which works with the Alexa and Google Assistant. Connectivity with Wi-Fi, USB, HP Smart App. Compatible ink cartridge is the HP 680 tricolor and black original ink cartridge. You get one black and one tricolor basic cartridge with the printer with extra free black cartridge. Warranty, you'll get up to 1 year from the date of purchase. The pages per minute you can print is 8.5 with black and white and 6 with the color. Cost per page is rupees 1.4 for the black and white and 4.5 rupees for color printing. Page size supported is A4, B5, A6, DL and envelope. And also you'll get the 250 sheet input tray, borderless printing and 25 sheet output tray. So guys, now let's turn on our printer and test. So guys, to enable the quiet mode in the printer, first of all you have to go to the HP Smart app and then click on the printer icon. And in the second row you can see the preference quiet mode. And here you can choose the quiet mode. They have written that when in quiet mode the noise level when printing will be reduced, however the printing will be slower. So you can choose on or off and apply and click on OK. So now let's continue this video. So guys, this is the power port and this is the USB port through which you can connect to the computer and print. And guys, when you slide this up, here you will get the paper input tray and here you will get the paper output tray. So guys, now first of all let's talk about some main buttons and some main ports. So guys, first of all here you will get the cancel button, the print button, the Wi-Fi button, the information button, the wireless printing button, and this is the copy button, and this is the color printing button, this is the black and white printing button, and this is the power button. So guys, now let's insert the power cable. So guys, first of all let's turn on the printer. So guys, as you can see, the printer has turned on. So now let's connect this printer to our device. So guys, now let's test this printer by printing the paper. So guys, first of all let's go to the HP Smart app and click on add device and open the Wi-Fi settings and turn on the Wi-Fi. And guys, as you can see, the printer has connected to our device through the Wi-Fi. So let's click on the Deskjet 3630 series and it will connect automatically. As you can see now, here you can copy print documents, print photos or print scan, and here you can see the level of your ink cartridge. So guys, now let's print and document. Let's click on print documents and click on PDFs, and then we'll click on this and click on print. As you can see here, you can choose the color mode. Let's choose black and white. Here you can choose the paper size and orientation, automatic, portrait or landscape. And also you can select how much copies you want. So I'll select 1, and now let's click on print. As you can see guys, the printing has been started. So guys, as you can see, I have printed the receipt. So guys, now let's try scan and printing. So guys, first of all let's insert the page and print this, or scan and print this. So guys, for copy and printing we have to click on this any of these two buttons. Let's click on black and white printing, and you can see to start to print. So guys, as you can see the clarity of the printing. So if you like this video, please like, share and comment on this video. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you guys.